Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 Toyota Avalon Hybrid maintenance light reset. And this particular car has two type of reset. One is personal reset for yourself, and one for the service individual himself. So anyway, go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and your personal notification for maintenance is over here on the center console, and you will see something like this. And go ahead and press this setup over here. It's kind of dark over here. Give me a second, I'll turn on the light right here. I hope you guys can see that, but anyway, there's a setup button over here. Go ahead and press on that, and you see this page. Go ahead and press on the vehicle and maintenance, and go ahead and reset all. Press yes, and that is for your own warning lights. Now, when it comes to this, if you're changing the oil by yourself, you're gonna have to reset this page over here. So you're gonna have to reset it on the trip A, and we're on the ODO right now. And go ahead and press this little button over here on the right side and change it to the trip A, just like that. Now turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button and turn your car back on without starting. One more, and you should see that resetting maintenance data. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.